Tired of fumbling with cash or awkwardly splitting bills with friends? Ever wondered if you're truly getting the most out of your Venmo app? You probably use Venmo for quick payments to friends or family, maybe even splitting a dinner tab. But what if I told you that beneath the surface of this seemingly simple app lies a treasure trove of features, tips, and tricks that can revolutionize how you manage your money, enhance your privacy, and even boost your security? We're not just talking about sending a few bucks here and there. We're diving deep into the often overlooked functionalities that can transform your Venmo experience from basic to brilliant. Think about it. How many times have you been in a group setting, trying to figure out who owes what for that weekend getaway, or that shared utility bill? What about those nagging worries about your financial privacy in an increasingly digital world? And let's not forget the ever-present threat of scams and how to protect yourself on payment apps. These are real concerns, and Venmo, with the right knowledge, can be a powerful tool to address them all. In today's video, we're going to unlock the full potential of your Venmo app. We're going to explore advanced features you might not even know exist, share clever tips to streamline your transactions, and reveal crucial tricks to keep your money and personal information safe. From mastering group payments and customizing your privacy settings to leveraging direct deposit and understanding business profiles, we're covering it all. So, if you're ready to level up your Venmo game and become a true payment pro, stick around, because you're about to discover a whole new world of convenience and control right at your fingertips. Let's get started. Venmo basics, a quick refresher, and some initial tips. Before we jump into the deep end, let's quickly cover the essentials for those who might be newer to Venmo or just need a quick refresh. Venmo is a peer-to-peer payment service that allows you to send and receive money with friends and family. It's incredibly popular for its ease of use and social feed, which often shows transactions between users, though we'll talk about how to control that. Signing up and linking accounts. The first step, of course, is downloading the app and creating an account. You'll need to link a bank account or a debit card to send and receive money. While you can link a credit card, be aware that Venmo charges a 3% fee for sending money using a linked credit card. This is a crucial tip right off the bat. Avoid credit cards for sending personal payments if you want to avoid extra fees. Sending and requesting money. This is the core functionality. To send money, tap the Pay/Request button, select the recipient, enter the amount, add a note, often with fun emojis, and tap Pay. To request money, the process is similar, but you tap Request instead of Pay. Adding friends. Venmo is inherently social. You can find friends by searching their username, phone number, or email. You can also sync your phone contacts. A key tip here, while syncing contacts is convenient, remember that your friends list can be public by default. We'll dive into privacy settings in more detail soon, but it's something to be mindful of from the start. Mastering group payments. Say goodbye to awkward IOUs. One of the most common frustrations when hanging out with friends is managing group expenses. Venmo has a fantastic feature specifically designed to tackle this: Venmo groups. This goes way beyond simply requesting money from multiple people individually. Creating a group. To set up a group, go to the Me tab, then look for Create a Group, or if you've been invited, tap on the invitation. Here, you can add all the participants for your shared expenses, think roommates, travel companions, or even just your regular dinner crew. Adding expenses. This is where the magic happens. As expenses occur, any member of the group can add them. So, if you paid for the Airbnb, someone else bought groceries, and another person handled the activities, all these can be logged within the group. Venmo will automatically calculate everyone's share. Adjusting shares. What if the expenses aren't perfectly even? No problem. Venmo allows you to edit individual shares within an expense. This is perfect for situations where one person had an extra drink or someone opted out of a particular activity. Settling up. When it's time to settle, simply tap Pay or Request within the group. Venmo does all the math for you, showing exactly who owes whom and how much. This eliminates the need for spreadsheets, mental gymnastics, or those awkward "who owes me" conversations. Pro tip for groups: for recurring expenses like rent or utilities, you can actually set up recurring payments within Venmo. This is a relatively new feature and a total game changer for budgeting. You can schedule one-time or recurring payments and requests on a weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly basis. Imagine never having to remind your roommate for their share of the internet bill again. To set this up, go to Pay/Request, select the recipient, then tap the Schedule button to choose your frequency and dates. Unlocking privacy, control who sees what. This is perhaps one of the most critical aspects of using Venmo effectively and securely. By default, Venmo transactions are often public, meaning anyone can see who paid whom and for what, including your payment notes. While this social aspect was part of Venmo's initial appeal, it can be a significant privacy concern. Default privacy settings. This is the first place to check. In your Venmo app, go to the Me tab, then tap the Settings gear icon in the top right. From there, select Privacy. You'll see three options for your default privacy setting. Public, visible to anyone on Venmo. Friends, only visible to you, the recipient, and your Venmo friends. Private, only visible to you and the recipient. The golden rule, set your default to private. For maximum privacy, we highly recommend setting your default privacy setting to private. This ensures that all future transactions you make will only be visible to you and the person you're transacting with. Adjusting past transactions. What about all those pizza payments and concert tickets from the past? You can adjust the privacy of past transactions too. In the privacy section of your settings, look for past transactions and you can update their visibility. While you can make them more private, you can't make them less private than they were originally. Friends list privacy. Did you know your friends list can also be public by default? This means anyone can see who you're connected with on Venmo. To control this, within the privacy settings, tap Friends List and choose your preferred visibility. Smart payment notes. Even with private transactions, be mindful of what you write in your payment notes. While emojis are fun, avoid including sensitive personal information, account numbers, or anything you wouldn't want someone to see if your account was compromised. Supercharging security. Protect your money and data. Security is paramount when dealing with any financial app. Venmo offers several robust features to help keep your account safe. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.